This is how fast the water's leaking. Out of a broken tube that was supposed to be fixed 2 weeks ago. Flooding, we're flooding here, flooding.
We're flooding.
We're flooding.
Yeah.
The carpet destroyed. Carpet's destroyed, see? Laundry room. We can go swimming in here.
The bathroom had to be first.
I already videotaped the bath. Look at Scarlett's playing in the puddle. Scarlett, play in the puddle. Show me how you play in the puddle. Woo.
What do I do with a
Let me see Splash.
It's coming apart.
Splash. Lovely. Let's go to Mommy's room and see how bad it is. Splash on the carpet.
Right there.
All wet.
Don't slap.
Well, she thinks the flood is funny.
She does. Ruin everything.
And it's in Mommy's closet.
Over the closet. Yeah.
All the way in here.
Top part doesn't go in the toaster, does it?
Yes.
It's coming apart.
And all the way in the closet, which you can't see. Scarlet step. Can you feel it?
Yeah.
If my clothes get ruined, someone's going to be very
I don't want
upset.
pennies